Okay, fam, how you guys doing today? I hope y'all are doing well. I'm doing good. I have a lot of messages and a lot of videos to get to today, and if I haven't got to yours, I will get to them. But I want to start off with labels and their unreal expectations. Labels. I hate, y'all know how I feel about labels. I feel like labels are for the goddamn poultry and the meat section of Walmart, not for me. I don't need a label that tells you what my certain ingredients are because I am way the hell too complex to have that much room to be listed. It just ain't, I don't fit into one category. I am, a lot of people say I have the personality of a gay guy and the looks of a feminine chick and the attitude of a masculine chick. I don't know. If I left it up to somebody else to describe me and put me in a box, I would be one confused ass chick. And let me tell you why. Because I don't fit in a box. And I don't know plenty of people that don't fit in a box. Don't fit in that little bitty ass label description that comes with the label of a stud, a femme, or a masculine gay guy, or feminine gay guy, or whatever. Baby, I break the mold. I don't fit any box. Okay? And that's how you should be. I don't feel like you should want to be labeled. Some people like labels. I'm not one of those people. I'm used to heterosexual people giving us names and labels and stereotypes because that's their way of understanding us. But us, we should know better. We should know a lot better than just wanting to box. Well, what are you? Well, what are you? Are you in this box? Are you in that box? What kind of box are you in? God damn it, stop worrying about what box I'm in. Worry about your own damn life. As far as labeling myself a femme, a stud, or whatever else you want, you know, whatever other labels that are out there, that's just not me. I'm a mixture of everything.